Today I'll be reviewing for you the Skyron refrigerator, the Skyron B6D85HC refrigerator, a 2-door refrigerator. This refrigerator costs close to 200 or 200,000 above, depends on where you're buying from. Close to 200, above 150,000 naira, depends on where you're buying for. So let's check out the features of this refrigerator before I open it. I actually got this refrigerator from Jumia actually, and it came, the delivery was very fast actually. I never expected it. Very fast. So let's check out this refrigerator and let's see. Let's check the features of this refrigerator. So here is written fast cooling, we have keep fresh, we have energy saving, we have low noise design, we have lock key, we have smart host, we have anti-cabinet, we have steady temperature, we have CFC3. I don't understand this one. Low voltage startup. So I think all these terms are very easy for you to understand. You understand? Guys, thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.